Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with a little thank you and a little haul. And first of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone for coming to my live class today, and it's going to be the first of many to come, I think. And I just want to say thank you to you guys because I really had a lot of fun, and it was so great seeing all you guys. So thank you so much for that and for the support. I really, really appreciate it. So thank you very much for that. And I'm going to try and make it a weekly thing, like I said. So please look forward to that. And I think Tuesday at that time slot's probably good for me, and it seemed to be good for everybody that was there. Somewhere around 11:30 Eastern time on a Tuesday, I think will be kind of the slot that I go for. So moving on from that, thank you again, and I wanted to share this little haul with you that I got in the mail today. And I've gotten from this seller before, and I'm always amazed that it comes in such a funky little bag. You know, it's hilarious that it comes in this little bag sewn up. It's so funny and cute. I've kept the other bag from last time, but it's just funny, and there's some pretty cool stamps on there too, so I'll be keeping those for my journals. But I had two things that I bought from the seller this time, and I'm going to have the link to that seller in the description box for you guys too if you're interested in this type of a thing. I'm trying to build up sort of my colorful things that I have in my stash because I didn't have a lot, so I'm trying to build that up, and this is a great deal that I get from this seller. So let me just share with you some of the beautiful pieces that I got. And I love these. These make beautiful pockets and journals, or you can cut them up and take little pieces from them. But the colors are just like glorious. Look at this one. It's fuchsia, and the camera is not showing it. It's a very dark fuchsia, and it looks a lot lighter on the camera, but look at these gold and the green and the darker pink and burgundy. It's just stunning. I love it. So this guy or girl or whoever it is, this company has a lot of these that they sell during the week. And you just kind of bid on them. They're free shipping. This one cost me $6, I think, because there was a few bids on it, but I did end up winning. It was about $6 that I paid for this, but you get quite a bit for that money. And it does take probably about 3.5 to 4 weeks to get to me here in Canada. I had this one before, but I've been cutting it up, so I'm really glad I have another piece of it now. And then this one. And this is more like a sunflower yellow, I would say, the background. But just amazing. Look at this one. Very, very heavily embroidered piece. Can't you just see that in the center of a book? It would be amazing. And then, you know, this is just like a rose color and silver, so you could work that into a shabby chic project. I think that would work. And this is burgundy with the peacock on it, and I love this one. This one might be my favorite. Look at that. I'm kind of feeling these colors for a junk journal soon. That's what I'm feeling. And look at this one too. Beautiful. And it's got the gold mesh in the center. It's just stunning. So beautiful. And then this beautiful large green piece with the pink. So pretty. And then I also won some squares of sari fabric, and these are all in purples and blues, and they're just beautiful. I really, really love them. So I wanted to come on and share those with you as well. Super pretty. I love this one. OMG, I really love this one. Look at that. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I got a piece from Nola Harris with these colors. It would look so good with this, wouldn't it, Nola? It was like a purple background with this aqua color in embroidery on top of it. It would look so good together. And then this one. They're just beautiful. And they're all silk. So they're really nice to work with. And then this one, super light and delicate. And then this one's a darker purple. I think that's the right way up. You can't really tell. Maybe not. Yeah, I can't really tell. This one's purple, but boy, it looks navy blue in the camera, but it is a very dark purple. It's not the color that the camera's showing. It's very purple. I'm learning that purple tends to show up navy blue, and that looks black almost, but it's not. It's purple stripes here and black lines going this way. So there is some black, but there's a lot of purple in it too. And then there's a second piece of this one that I showed you already. So there's two pieces of this one, which is okay with me because I love it. And then there's a smaller flower here in the purple. And again, that looks navy, but it's not. It's very purple. This one, however, is navy. That is definitely navy. And then there's this one, which is super pretty. It's a little wrinkled, but it's got some imagery on it, which I love, and a little bit of pink. Love the images on it. And then there's this piece. And then this piece, which I love that. That is navy and gold and green and light blue. Super pretty. And then another little dot pattern one. And then this one is gorgeous. I love this one. Beautiful in this one too. So I've got some projects coming up that I'm going to be using some of these on, and I just think it's good value for money to get your saris from. So that's why I like to share those types of things with you. So go over and check out the seller on eBay, and the link is down below. And again, I just want to say thank you to everyone for coming to my live today, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.